guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you my first, or one of the first advent calendars for 2025. This little calendar is super cute and adorable. It was bought from Temu for £10.76, and I just think it is fabulous. It is really, really big. So I'm going to set it on the side so you guys can see it. As you can tell, it is like a little notebook or a bookshelf, which is adorable. It has the pattern of a little bookshelf right here. And when we open this gorgeous calendar, it's upside down. I thought this wasn't upside down. Who knows? It doesn't matter. You get 25 days of books. So 25 days of books. I have not opened any of the days. So we're going to start. I just need to bend this back ever so slightly so that it stays up. You're going to go ahead and we're going to start with day number 1. How adorable is each of these little packages? And every single one, 25 come in these packages. So day number 1, oh, I didn't even know this. So each book is also a decoration. You can thread the little decoration or the little string through, tie it at the top and make a little Christmas tree decoration. We're not going to use these at the moment. Pop that back in. So the first book that we have is Wuthering Heights. Super cute, very plain, Wuthering Heights. And I think you get chapter 1. So you get a number of pages in chapter 1, which is great. Maybe a little kickstart to reading the book. So day 1, we get Wuthering Heights. I'm just going to pop that back in again. This little thing does not want to go inside. So Wuthering Heights is day 1, which is super cute. Let's pull it forward and go to day 2. And day 2, we have Emma, a classic. Again, super duper cute. Love the fact that you can use them as decorations, which I think are a little ornaments for your tree. So you have Emma, and I'm assuming again, yes, chapter 1. So you have a couple of pages of chapter 1. And guys, just so you know, I mean, cute or what? Just so you know, they are readable. So the little chapters are readable. We'll pop Emma in and go to day number 3. And guys, this was from Temu. I've had not great experiences with advent calendars from Temu. So this one, so far, so good, is quite a surprise. Day 3, we get... Day 3 is... Oh my God, oh my goodness, is the Louisa May Alcott Little Women. That is super duper cute and adorable. This one seems a little bigger, it probably isn't, but we have Little Women. If you guys have bought this advent calendar, let me know if what I got is the same as what you guys got. Number 4 is The Wind in the Willows by Kenneth someone. I'm not sure, but The Wind in the Willows. And again, we have from chapter 1, The Riverbank. That is adorable. I'm putting these in upside down. That's not clever. So far we're getting classics. That's number 4, and then we're on to the end of the top row, the very first row, and that's number 5. Number 5, what have we got? Number 5, we've got Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. Is that not supposed to be Charlotte Bronte? I don't know, you guys tell me. It's just plain on the back. And that's book number 5. I'm making a real mess of trying to put these back into the little boxes. Maybe I should leave that to the end. We'll do that at the end. So 6, we have A Christmas Carol, another classic. Again, from chapter 1 or from the start of the book. So you get maybe the first few pages. I mean, look, you can actually read this. It's not like the Mini Brands Littles that you can read the first few pages. You can read all pages. So we've got 6. Let's pull out 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll have a look and see who we got. We got Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. And if I got that wrong, apologies. I am not a book. I do like books, but I wouldn't read books as often as maybe other people would. Treasure Island is a good one. Number 8. Who did we get? Number 8. We got A Little Prince. I've never heard of this. Is that spelled properly? I don't actually think that's even spelled properly. But again, A Little Prince. I don't really know the context of the story on that one. If you guys do, feel free to reach out in the comment section below and let me know. Let's go on to number 9. Who do we get in number 9? We get Pride and Prejudice. Super cute. Again, starting from the first chapter. Adorable. Look how cute. And that's number 9. I'll fix all of these things after. 9. 10. Sense and Sensibility. All of the classics. So Sense and Sensibility. And again, the back is blank on all of them, but super cute. That's 10. Let's pull out the whole next section. If I can get it out okay. So we've got these. 11. We have got, pull you out, 11. We have A Secret Garden. That is super cute. I really, really like the look of this, the color of this book. That is very cute. And we have that in 11. And 12. We have, who do we have in 12? 12. The Count of Monte Cristo. Very nice. Some of these books do feel bigger. I don't know if it's because the little laces in them, but they feel like they've got more content. This is chapter 1, The Arrival. Nice. Let's go with 13. I mean, let me know what your favourite book is in the comment section. I think one of my favourite books is definitely the BFG. I'm a Roald Dahl fan, and I really, really like that book. This one is The Call of the Wild by Jack London. Call of the Wild, chapter 1, back of the book. Again, you can use this as a little Christmas tree decoration. 14. I do believe Temu sell 2 different colours of this advent calendar. I'm really not sure if I'm unsure if they have the same books, little mini books in them. I'm not sure at all. But if you've got the other color, I think it's a dark blue, let me know in the comment section. I would be super interested. We have a Gardens Fairy Tale, the Brogan Grinch. I don't know who did that. Oh, Grimm's Fairy Tales. Of course it is. Sorry, this is the Grimm's Fairy Tales. I completely read that wrong. 15. What do we got in 15? Oh, come on, out 15. Who do we have? We have The Great Gatsby by E. Scott Fitzgerald. You can see the art, kind of like is it Art Deco shape of, design of the book. Really, really cute. Adorable. And then let's go on ahead and take out all of the next row. In fact, let's take out all of the books. Oh, 15. Oh, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So let's do 16. I love, love, love the design of the little bookshelf. I think it is beyond adorable. This one is A Midsummer Night's Dream. Very floral, very cute. Again, this is a book that feels slightly like it's got more content in it, more of the book. 16, let's go to 17. And I like the contrast of the boxes. So you've got like this really nice light blue versus this turquoise, which is lovely. Oh, another classic, Alison's Adventures in Wonderland. This book, you see, this book is a little bit slimmer. So it starts from chapter 1, which is adorable. I love the design. Let's go to 18. 18 is also very adorable. Oh, Anne of Green Gables, actually another one of my favorite books, or book series, because there's more than one book. But I loved Anne of Green Gables. I also liked the older style. Just let you guys see it again. It's super cute. I also loved the older style TV show of Anne of Green Gables. Maybe it was on in the 90s, I believe. Oh, this one's back. Sherlock Holmes. So we have The Adventure of Sherlock Holmes by A. Conan Doyle. The Adventures. And you see, there seems to be more content in this one than in the other one. Very, very nice for number 19. Let's go to number 20. In number 20, we have, oh, sorry guys, The Picture of Dorian Gray. Look at that artwork. It is so, so cute. And then 21. Who did we get in 21? Come on, 21. Ooh. Oh, I thought this was the back. This is actually the front. This is the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. We have chapter 1. And this is not all of chapter 1. Obviously, you're getting a few of the pages. But look how readable this is. Super cute. And how adorable would this look? All these little classic books. All these little classic books on your Christmas tree. Or a second Christmas tree. If you have a second one, you could make it a book-themed Christmas tree, which would be beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, a beautiful green one. And this is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Again, super cute. Oh, this one is terrible. This one is definitely, the first page is very blurry. Page 2 seems to be much better. So that's a bit of a disappointment because the actual artwork is really nice. And we have 23, 2 more to go. 23, who do we have in 23? We have Peter Pan, another classic, Peter Pan. And again, this one is much better, much more readable. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. And then we have 24, our penultimate. 24, let me have a look. This one is Romeo and Juliet, William Shakespeare. You could not have had a book advent calendar without having Mr. Shakespeare making an appearance. And this is a really, really lovely book. Guys, just also to let you know, the paper, this cardboard is really good cardboard, really nice quality. The quality of all the prints are really good. And I love the fact that for the most part, they are completely readable content, which I think is adorable. It's a great way to get kids interested in the first instant in some of the classics. Give them a snippet of the actual book. We're going to pull this thing out again. And then our last book is what? What do you think our last book is for 25? Well, let's find out. Parisian, I think you call this book. I have never read this book. Again, very, very readable. Absolutely so adorable. I think this is really, really cute. I'm putting it in the wrong one. Would I give this out as a gift? I probably would not give this out as a gift. I am so excited that I purchased it. I will keep this little book. I will keep this little book advent calendar. And I at Christmas will open again each one of these, hopefully read every single one of them, and then use them for decoration for my Christmas tree, because I think that is so stinking cute and so stinking adorable for the price. This little bookshelf alone is so adorable with all the books stacked inside. Well, guys, let me know if you liked this video by leaving a comment and throwing the thumbs up. If you did, please like and share. I have a very, very small channel, and this really does help all of to promote my channel. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe and take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.